Pay homage to her. Okay.
Please.
Alright, we're just getting the ingredients ready for the cocoa bread. So the thing is, I have some instant yeast. The instant yeast is better than the other one because this one don't really need a lot of time. We just basically add water to it and it's good. Alright, so for the cocoa bread, we're gonna add some flour using all-purpose flour. It's everywhere. Let me add a pack of the instant yeast. We're adding some sugar. Watch it. It's alright.
Just break it open. Yeah.
Hopefully it's not salt. Alright, that should be good. And I'm gonna add some diced butter to this.
So the water will melt the butter. Is that that's the point? The hot water.
No, the warm water is for the yeast. To
Oh,
activate the yeast, yeah.
I got it. I got it.
Alright, so we're gonna rub out the butter. You rub it until it becomes like fine breadcrumbs. Listen, I used to work at a bakery when I was in before I went to cooking school. That's how I got money to go to school. I used to work at a bakery and I used to have to make these every single day. Made a few thousands of these before. Oops. But the problem is I don't like the feeling of flour in my hand. Yeah, it's very strange. Alright.
Yeah, it's a bad problem for a baker, isn't it?
Yeah, to not like the feeling of flour. Alright. That's good. You wanna get the hot water for me?
Yeah.
Alright, wait. Pour some of the hot water and the cold water. Because I want it to be warm.
Tell me when.
Yeah. That should be good. I'm gonna put some cold water on. Alright, so we're adding in the liquid now.
You want some more of the hot?
Yeah, give me some more of the hot water.
Yep. Would you grab the hot water though? Thank you.
Pour it onto the
in
cold
there.
water. Don't worry about burning, I'm good. Alright, get it.
Thanks.
That was nerve-wracking.
It's like Tom Cruise Mission Impossible.
I'm glad I did my part.
Thanks for helping.
Like a young Tom Cruise or a young John Cena.
Put me in the credits.
A little bit sticky. Let me get some more flour.
Oh yeah, that chicken smells so good.
Yeah.
Just ate those flaming hots this morning, so we're ready to go.
Alright. So this is ready. I'm gonna let it rise for a few minutes. Alright, I'm gonna put this over here where it's hot so it can rise. Clean my hands up and we'll Coco bread now, so dough has been risen. I have that ready. Add a little flour to the mix so that it doesn't stick.
So you're cutting up into small pieces?
Yeah, I'm gonna be rolling these out.
Okay.
Alright. So look at that. Keep everything at the same size. So the cocoa bread, it should be like a soft pillow bread. Someone's having fun. I don't like when it's, I want it to be a little bit sticky so that it doesn't edge my teeth. Patty.
Mm-hmm.
But in terms of Aki, I think Aki Patty is like
Oh, okay.
she's fire, yeah. There used to be this guy who, when I was going to high school, this guy used to come to the school and sell the Aki Patty. This guy, he was a guy, but they call him Granny.
Okay.
He got some really good patties. Alright, so we're gonna roll these out now. So we just roll it, keep it one side. So we try to keep everything at the same size. Alright, so we're down to the last one. Took us like how much? Like 5 minutes to roll these? Whew. Alright, so I have the melted butter here. So we're just gonna add some butter, the inside of it, and then close it up.
Okay.
That's it. How much can you go in that baking tray?
Okay.
Let me see. So we have one, maybe like, maybe only 4.
All right, Lou.
Like a bomb. Like 4. So we're gonna have to go and bake these over. So we have 4. We're gonna pop these in the oven. We only have 1 baking tray, so this should be good. We're gonna pop this in the oven. Let's see.
Cool. Just follow you.
The oven is at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna let this bake until it's golden brown, and we should be good. Okay, so I'm not sure if they're gonna rise, right? Because it's instant yeast and normally don't work with them. So we're gonna check to see if the cocoa bread is rising. Ooh! I wanna love you and treat you right. Damn, they're getting fat. They're so thick. Yeah, I'm gonna cover this up. It's gonna be good. Ooh, damn.
Okay.
I have the mountain of cocoa bread beside it.